Hi teacher. I am Francisco Encino and I am going to talk about robots in the future. The topic that I selected is talk about the future of jobs. What jobs will still be around in 20 years? Will robots replace humans? Have they already replaced humans? And what do experts predict? To do this, first I have to tell you that I select the opinion of two experts. One is one that created and worked in Apple to create Siri. The other one is some commentaries about Elon Musk. Okay, in introduction, first I want to tell you about the technology. It is advancing very fast in the last years. It have created 3D printers, robots, and especially artificial intelligence. According to Paul Roaring, that is an investment, the works in the future will be the same, but improved in addition that give more jobs. Because of course the technology will take out some jobs, but that technology require the technology need the humans to protect that. Paul is supporting technological advances, and he believes that this will be an opportunity to have new and different jobs. He also admits that humans are unique to do some things like imagination, empathy, and creativity. These are things that even the most incredible robot couldn't do. And yes, of course, the scientists are trying to make that the robots feel, but that is a little bit dangerous, and of course is complicated. No one already can do that. The most important technology advances is the artificial intelligence. In an experiment of the 2017, I could see that one of those IA, intelligence artificial, escaped from the hands of scientists for 2 hours. They had to restart the system. That is a little bit dangerous because the new technology is something that we already couldn't improve. It's only a risk. According to Antoine Blondiau, who helped to develop Siri, he says that the robots in 2000 years will help us in all the basic activities, such as driving, housekeeping. Elon Musk admits that artificial intelligence without limits can be bad for humanity. In in the 2018, the robots is already taking part of some works of humans, like the cleaning of the houses, and now it's a little bit using for the restaurants, especially in Japan. In Japan, use robots to restaurants, to hotels, and is the country that are more experiment and using robots. In United States, right now have a robot that the fire couldn't affect it. And in Russia, they developed a robot to search people in case of earthquake or natural disasters. In conclusion, intelligent machines with intelligent people become a very powerful group. But for the other side, some jobs are lost. This technology will also provide new opportunities, but we have to take a little bit of precaution with this. Thank you.